Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. This door bean is located at the top of the fresh food compartment door of this refrigerator. It's used for additional storage of food. The most common reason to replace the door bean is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove this door bean, we need to lift it up and then we can slide it out. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door bean, we slide it in and press it down. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.